So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about future retail. So we'll see why the stock has fell almost 7% and also we'll see what are the latest updates on the share and also we'll see the next possible levels. So people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel and can also join the Telegram group where instant updates are being posted regarding penny stocks, intraday stocks as well as positional stocks. So definitely you can join so that you can have a view on all the videos. So now we'll see what are the latest updates and then we'll see on charts. So we know that Kishore Biyani's future retail faces a deadline as grace period ends. So this was the update. So we know that the Kishore Biyani was also having a personal debt of almost 2000 crores and also a grace period was given so that he can fulfill the amount. But today was the deadline of that, and due to the unsuccessful payment of the amount, even the stock has shown correction. So this was a major reason why the stock has fell. And we also know that tomorrow Future Enterprise Limited board meeting is also present regarding the deal. So that is also a must watch update tomorrow. So if everything goes well, so definitely I will update that as well. So I can see Future Retail in discussion with lenders of State Bank of India to rise the amount so that some help may be given to Future Retail. But later what happened? We also know that the debt which was present in heavy quantity also led to the delaying of the deal. Okay, now Amazon, which is already having a particular stake in Future Retail, so it is also trying to help the Future Retail so that it can clear the we can say amount present on it. And we know that a deadline which was present on Friday. So on or before Friday, even the amount should be cleared, but it was not completed. That's why the stock has almost corrected 7%. So we know that since 2 days back, when we have done the technical analysis around 100 rupees, later we can see a huge 20% circuit was seen in the stock. So many felt that again it will continue its rally, but they did not focus on these particular things. That is mainly the grace period which was present on Future Retail. And tomorrow, the Future Enterprise Limited, where the board meeting will be held, and proposal to merge the groups such as Future Lifestyle, Future Retail and Future Supply. So these three will be merged into Future Enterprise Limited. And after that, when the process completes, then Reliance Industries will invest around rupees 8,500 crores in the merged entity by way of additional capital. So if Future Enterprise will be benefited, then the amount of debt which is present on it will also be reduced. So it is one beneficiary to the Future Enterprise Limited. And we can see resulting in Mukesh Ambani's leg owning close to 50% in it. So then automatically the major promoter will be Mukesh Ambani. So these were the major updates on this particular stock, mainly regarding the board meeting and also the grace period which was completed, and that's why due to the failure of the payment the stock has corrected. Okay, so now we'll see on technical charts and we'll try to find out the next possible levels. So we are back on technical charts. So current market price is almost around 118.60 and it is down almost 7%. So when we discussed this particular level in previous videos as well, I told that it's very important because the stock is reacting to technicals more as compared to the deal which is going to happen. So you can see when it has touched that particular level, later it has given 20% up move. Again later 5, 6, 7% move was there, and again today you can see a fall was seen. And currently you can see it is taking a very good support. We can say it may take support near we can say 113, 114 as well as 1110. So today almost even when it fell 10%, again it has respected the levels and again has gone up. So I always tell that don't completely invest your entire, we can say, investment into this future retail. Okay, you have more shares, just keep part of it and invest in this particular company. I'm not telling that completely avoid this, just keep small portion and just leave it for long term. So don't do rigorous positional trading, rigorous trading, so that you may enter into losses. Because again, when you're entering at 130 rupees, again when it fell today, you can see you're entering into losses. So for that case, you need to fix your mindset that once I invest in this stock for long term, I just leave it. So in that sort of way, it will be beneficial to you. And rest of all, you can see money flow index, when it has touched the overbought region, again it has shown some correction. Okay, so next levels to watch will be the same 114 as well as 110 levels are the supports, and resistances would be, we can say, 120 as well as 125. So these are the next two resistances for the company. And what we can see in 1 week chart as well. So 1 week chart as well, the stock was in good momentum. When it has taken support near the 96 rupees, it was very strong, and it has faced resistance near the red color line, which is the 20 EMA. Okay, so focus on the levels. So if everything goes well, then definitely the company also will perform well, but don't put entire investments in heavy quantity. So that is what I tell. So don't fall into operators trap. So operators will come and exit, but once you enter with small quantity at correct levels, which you have discussed in previous videos as well, then definitely you will be benefited. Okay, we have discussed very good stocks like Take, we have discussed Raymond, everything, all have given movement. So focus on them as well. Don't completely shift your attention to this. So I'm not telling completely to divert yourself, but keep in small quantity. Okay, so tomorrow after the board meeting, we'll again discuss about this future retail. So until then, take care. Bye bye.